Hello, thank you for joining us. We're looking now at the cornering light grill for the Goldwing Gl1500. This will be replacing the add-on part number 458144 that is no longer available. So let's take a look at what we have in the box and look at the grill. So you have the two light grills, your instructions, and your fixing screws. Now the grills themselves for the installation it's relatively easy enough, but there is drilling required. You have 4 screws which do come in the box that I already showed you that you will have to drill from the inside of the fairing, and once you do that, screw them on. They're quite secure and there's no fear of them falling off. These grills are available on our website. You'll see a link down below. Thank you for joining us today. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have, please like the video down below and subscribe to our channel. Also, if there's any specific products you would like us to review or show you, please leave a comment down below and we will do what we can to help. Thank you and safe riding.